Welcome, Mile Thrivers. Let's find out how our food can help regulate our emotions. Shame has been linked with bananas. Bananas contain tryptophan, which converts to serotonin, promoting a positive mood. Sweet potatoes have been linked with fear. Sweet potatoes regulate blood sugar levels, giving a calming effect to the body, thus eliminating the sensation of fear. Anger and green tea. Green tea contains theanine, which has calming effects and helps to reduce feelings of anger. Guilt and oranges. We all know that oranges are high in vitamin C. Not orange juice though, which is loaded with sugars, but simply eating a whole natural orange. Oranges reduce stress and help to support emotional balance. Sadness and avocados. Avocados contain healthy fats which help support brain health and improve the mood, alleviating sadness. Anxiety and almonds. Almonds have magnesium, which helps relax the muscles and reduces stress and anxiety naturally. Stress and spirulina. Spirulina is the daddy of superfoods. It contains tryptophan, selenium, and antioxidants, which reduce stress, inflammation, and are known to help a balanced mood.